How to change location on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. And menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. And system, you can see here the language and location. Okay, you can choose the language of the TV in your locations. Okay, go to this and you can see here the location. And the location is set into Philippines. So you can choose the location from where you will watch your TV. And okay guys, so okay, go to location and you can see the option. So you can change into Peru, Paraguay, Panama or more. So scroll up or down to see the option. So for my example, I set the location and to Peru. So okay, and after that you can see the data sharing privacy and EULA. So I decide to select all this data sharing privacy and EULA, and after that select agree button to select the Peru location. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the location on Devant Smart TV. So if you want to go back to Philippines, okay, you'll have to do select Philippines again and select the data sharing privacy and EULA. So for example, I set the select all and select agree button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the location on Devant Smart TV.